Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Imagine this, you're away on vacation and your phone buzzes with a crystal clear alert of your dog chasing squirrels in the backyard, or you spot a delivery truck pulling up at 2 a.m. without a single cable to trip over or a bill for cloud storage. Sounds like peace of mind on steroids, right? Well, today we're zooming in on the AOSU Security Cameras 4 Cam Kit, and let me tell you, this wireless solar-powered squad could transform your home security from a headache to a high five. If you're fed up with wired messes, subscription traps, or fuzzy footage that misses the action, stick around. By the end, you'll see why this kit is a smart home slam dunk. And hey, if you grab it through the link in the description, you support the channel at no extra cost to you. Let's lock and load. First off, let's break down the features that make the AOSU 4 Cam Kit a security beast. This isn't some basic setup. It's 4 wireless cameras, each with a built-in spotlight and 2K HD resolution for sharp day or night views up to 30 feet with color night vision. No more grainy black and white ghosts. The solar panels keep them juiced indefinitely with just a few hours of sun, but they also pack a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 6 months on a charge, so cloudy days or indoor spots aren't a deal breaker. Each camera is IP65 weatherproof, standing up to rain, snow, or heat from -4 to 130 degrees Fahrenheit, and they're easy to mount with included screws or magnetic bases for quick repositioning. The real brains are in the app. Free local storage for unlimited footage on a pre-installed micro SD card up to 128 gigabytes, or optional cloud without monthly fees. AI-powered smart detection spots, humans, vehicles, animals, or packages sending tailored alerts to cut false alarms from wind or leaves, up to 90% fewer notifications. Two-way audio lets you chat with visitors or scare off intruders via the built-in mic and speaker. The base station acts as a hub, connecting all 4 cams via secure 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi with a range of up to 800 feet in open space, and it's expandable for more cameras later. Setup is a breeze. Plug in the base, scan QR codes on the app for iOS or Android, and you're live in under 10 minutes. No wiring, no hub hunting. The app's intuitive with live view, timeline playback, and zone customization so you ignore the neighbor's cat. Plus, no subscriptions required for core features. Everything's yours to keep. I mounted mine overlooking the driveway and garage, and the solar trickle means 0 recharges after setup. Overall, it's plug-and-play protection that scales with your needs, blending eco-energy with cutting-edge smarts. All right, let's talk pros and cons because no gadget's perfect, and I want you to know exactly what you're getting. On the pro side, the solar power is a game changer. No cord snaking across your yard, and that long battery backup means reliable runtime even in shade. The 2K clarity and AI alerts are spot on. Reviewers love how it flags real threats without buzzing your phone over every bird, and the two-way talk feels like having a virtual doorbell everywhere. Local storage keeps your privacy tight and costs low. Up to 128 gigs holds weeks of clips, no cloud creep. Weatherproof build holds strong through storms, easy install saves hiring pros, and the expandable system grows with your home. At around $250 for 4 cams, it's a steal compared to wired rivals, and users rave about the app's smooth interface for sharing footage with family. Bottom line, it delivers pro-level peace without the premium hassle, making security feel simple and smart. Now, the cons, because transparency builds trust. It's not the cheapest entry at $250, which might pinch if you just need 1 cam, though single units are available. The Wi-Fi range shines in open areas, but can drop indoors or behind thick walls. Extenders help, but it's not plug-and-play for massive estates. AI detection is sharp, but occasionally misses small animals or fast motion in low light, and while solar's great, full shade spots need occasional plugs. The base station needs a power outlet nearby, so placement matters, and app notifications can lag by 10 to 20 seconds on spotty connections. A few folks noted the spotlight's brightness could be dimmer for night stealth, and microSD swaps require powering down. For super high-res 4K fans, 2K feels entry-level, but it's plenty for most. These are tweaks, not turnoffs. So with all that in mind, do I recommend the AOSU 4 Cam Kit? Absolutely, yes. Especially if you want wireless, subscription-free surveillance that covers your whole property, hates wiring, and prioritizes privacy. The pros like solar reliability and AI smarts far outweigh the cons for homeowners, renters, or parents watching the kids play. It's a solid investment that pays off in calm nights and quick checks. If that sounds like your setup, click the link in the description right now to snag it on Amazon. It's the best way to get current pricing and any deals. Before we wrap, if these home hacks get you geared up, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a must-have. And seriously, use that affiliate link below. It helps keep the reviews rolling at no cost to you. Finally, a quick reminder, grab the AOSU 4 Cam Kit through the link below for the best pricing and our special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks for watching, team. If this secured your interest, give it a like, share with a neighbor needing eyes on their yard, or subscribe for more. Stay safe out there.